English guys. Today we are taking a restaurant in Paris called Sweet Rawmance, and we'll be trying their menu. Let's go.
Sweet Rawmance is located in Paris, and they have a website which you may access in order to see pictures of their meals as well as their establishment. Through their website, you may also peruse their menu and price listing as well as order online. In addition, they have a blog which you may peruse at any time if you're interested in healthy living or a vegan lifestyle. They also have an Instagram page which you may follow at any time. And finally, it is advised to make a reservation in advance because they have a small establishment, and by doing so, you may avoid any inconvenience.
This was the pizza platter. Let's start with this here. It was avocado with some sort of seeds. This was lovely. In fact, if you love avocado, you will love this. It's just plain avocado. And I loved it. There's not really much to say, it's avocado. This now was mushrooms with some sort of sauce. Personally, the mushrooms were, I didn't really like them that much, but the sauce was a good compliment. Nonetheless, it was quite a healthy meal. Here we have some mini biscuits. Those are okay, normal, nothing fancy. Here we have a sort of pizza slice. I'm not sure what the bread or the dough is made out of. However, in my opinion, it's sort of a biscuit or cracker. I'm not sure. It was ordinary, nothing spectacular. Toppings again were a lot of different vegetables, tomatoes, avocado. It was lovely. I liked it. It was simple. When you eat this, you feel healthy. One of the best parts about this meal for me was this thing here. The sauce was amazing, delicious. It was wonderful. I really loved it. And I dipped everything in the sauce. But the best thing about the meal was the beetroot, I believe. I believe this is beetroot or whatever this was. It was amazing. It was amazing. It was wonderful. I truly enjoyed it.
These people know what they're doing.
And then there was a drink, a natural drink. I took ginger. It was just okay. Also, before this, I had an entree. Fruits and lots of different fruits. I don't even remember all different combinations. It was simply lovely. That was a 10 out of 10, no hesitation. And also, I got a free dessert with my meal, which was wonderful.
It's not bad, like the coconut. It's a bit like dark chocolate. It's something I would have again, definitely.
At the end of the day, eating at this restaurant left me feeling healthy. It was a wholesome meal. It was a lot. I truly enjoyed myself. And I would say, overall, I would recommend going to this restaurant. However, there are some negative points. The first would be a lack of flavor. My problem with a lot of vegan restaurants is that they omit flavor. You can be healthy and still have rich, succulent, delicious, mouth-watering flavor. It is still possible. Some advice, put a little flavor, maybe some MSG. And it'll be really good. But all in all, I love the restaurant. I love the ambience. It's great to sit and chat with some friends. Wonderful place. The owners are also quite lovely. It is definitely a family-friendly place. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Oh, check out my other videos. I do lots of different things. Short films, reaction, cooking. I don't know, my life. I do a lot of things. Check it out. Ciao, ciao.